to shout.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 526, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Stanley, Swain, Transylvania, Union, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 526 has been issued from 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Polk, Bryan, Rutherford, Stanley, Swain, Transylvania, Union, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey. Hail and damage. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles east of Hickory, or near St. Stephen's, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Stephen's, Conover, and Claremont around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Catawba around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Norman around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Millersville, Sherrills Ford, Startown, Terrell, and Oxford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Catawba, Ardell, and